Alright, so here's the 2020 125 Sherco factory SEF bike. Got about 20 hours on it so far. Several trail rides, riding around the field, just kind of playing around. Overall, really good bike. The power band on this is really good. It actually has some mid-range, unlike a lot of Moto 125s that are pretty much on and off. It'll lug a little bit. Lug's pretty good for, you know, being a 125, a smaller bore bike. Obviously it doesn't lug like a 300 does, but it does a pretty good job. It's still fun to ride. Obviously it's 125, so it's a ball to ride. But the only thing I've changed, did put some brush guards on it. Bark busters. See, they've definitely been used. And put a IRC Gakota, put a gummy tire on it. Stock tire in the back sucks. It's terrible. Overall, pretty pleased with the bike. Obviously got a little pipe damage. It's pretty stout pipe, really. That was a pretty big fall. Everything on this bike is really, really nice so far. The only thing, you know, there's a few odd and end things, like it's got rim stickers on it. The blue wheels do look nice. It's a factory edition that comes with the blue wheels. The only thing, that stickers on it, you know, they peel off after pretty much any ride time. They're pretty much trash. It does look good when it's new, but they're going to come off. There's only a couple things that I don't really care for. The clickers on it, if you adjust the clickers, you got to take the handlebars off to adjust the clickers, which is kind of stupid. Then the master power switch, there's a headlight switch, so you got the kill switch, headlight switch, master power switch, your map switch, high setting, low setting, then your start button. Well, if you leave the power on, and the noise you hear is the electric power valve. If you leave the master power switch on and don't have the headlight on, there's really no way of looking outside of the bike to tell that you've left the master power switch on, and the battery will be completely flat in about a day or so, and it won't start. So if you leave the headlight on, you can at least see that you've left the power switch on. Which, one thing I did there, I don't know if you can see, I put a LED bulb in it. It was on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. I just liked it because it looked cleaner. It was whiter than the old dingy incandescent bulb. The map switch on it actually, I've used it in like some slick conditions in creek. It actually, you can definitely tell a difference. It doesn't hit, the power doesn't hit as hard, which is good. Overall, it's a really great bike. I'm happy with it.